Okay, so get this.
Mm-hmm.
We're talking about a mobile gaming platform, right?
Okay.
But it's got like 35 million users.
Wow.
It's called TapSwap.
I've heard of this.
Yeah. And they operate entirely on Telegram.
Interesting.
So they're launching their own token,
Oh, wow.
and they're listing it on Binance
That's huge.
on November 30th.
Okay.
So we're going to do a deep dive on what all this means.
All right, let's do it.
So,
So to launch on Binance, I mean,
yeah,
that's one of the biggest exchanges out there.
Yeah.
Gives them instant credibility
Right.
and puts them in front of tons of potential investors and players.
yeah, it's,
Yeah.
I mean, it's like they booked the Super Bowl for their launch party, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And speaking of parties, their predicted opening price is 0.0444 sites,
Okay.
which, might not sound like a lot,
Right.
but with that many users.
That's a lot of potential buyers.
And there's been so much hype.
Yeah,
So it seems pretty significant.
it really is.
So how is that initial price even determined?
Well, I mean, it's not just some random number.
Right.
They take into account
Yeah.
the value of the platform itself,
Okay.
utility of the token within their ecosystem,
Mm-hmm.
and, of course, investor demand.
That makes sense.
Yeah, and just imagine
Yeah.
35 million people
Yeah.
wanting in on this.
Yeah. That's got to drive the price up.
Yeah, there's a ton of potential buying pressure.
Okay, so crypto.
Yeah.
It's known for being volatile, right?
Oh, absolutely.
So besides the normal ups and downs,
Yeah.
what are some of the risks with this launch?
Well, you're right. Volatility is a given.
Mm.
But with all these new investors,
Right.
there is a chance for market manipulation.
Oh, okay.
And because this is relatively new territory,
Yeah.
there's always regulatory uncertainty.
Okay.
Plus, there could be technical issues
Right.
with the token itself.
So basically,
Yeah,
do your research,
exactly.
know the risks,
Yeah.
don't invest more than you can lose.
Could have said it better myself.
So TapSwap,
Yeah.
it's a play-to-earn platform, right?
Mm-hmm.
Meaning players can earn rewards
Mm-hmm.
for doing stuff in the game.
Exactly.
So how does this token
Right.
fit into that model?
So this is where it gets really interesting.
Okay.
The token, it's like the fuel for TapSwap's economy.
Okay.
Players can earn it, trade it,
Uh-huh.
and potentially even use it to, like, govern the game.
So they could earn tokens
Yeah.
for doing certain things.
Exactly.
Like completing tasks,
Yeah.
reaching certain levels,
Mm-hmm.
or even buy in-game stuff.
Yes. Upgrades, items, all that.
That's amazing.
And it really changes the play-to-earn model.
Yeah, so they're not just earning points.
Right.
They're earning like actual assets
Yes.
that they can trade or hold.
It's a game changer.
Yeah, so it's like in-game currency,
Mm-hmm.
but with real-world value.
Exactly.
So will this Binance listing
Yeah.
launch them to success?
Yeah. I mean, it could.
Or will it be
Yeah.
a cautionary tale?
Yeah. It's hard to say. Only time will tell.
I guess that's the big question, huh?
It is.
The 0.044 question.
Yeah.
But, even if the price
Yeah.
goes up or down,
Mm-hmm.
this could change gaming as we know it.
Definitely.
The line between gaming and finance,
Right.
it's getting blurry.
I completely agree.
So to our listener,
Yeah.
keep an eye on TapSwap.
It's worth watching.
This could be the start
Mm-hmm.
of a whole new era of gaming.
Potentially.
So will you be a part of it?
We'll see.
All right, that's it for today.
Great deep dive.
We'll see you next time.
See ya.